Is your pet ignoring their water bowl? Today I'm reviewing the award-winning Veken pet fountain that changed everything for my cats and dog. Let's go! Most pets are dehydrated because traditional bowls get stale fast. Cats and dogs naturally prefer running water. It's instinct. Dehydration causes kidney problems, urinary issues, and low energy. The Veken pet fountain holds 95 ounces, perfect for multiple pets. It's BPA-free, food-grade plastic with a blue LED light that attracts pets and shows water levels. You can turn the light on or off with a cord switch. Flower waterfall mode, water streams down petals like a faucet. My cat is obsessed. Gentle fountain mode, softer flow for timid pets. Different personalities, different options. Silver ion purification kills bacteria. Coconut shell carbon removes odors. Scale inhibitor softens water. The fountain constantly circulates and oxygenates the water. Your pets actually taste the difference. Ultra quiet pump runs 24/7. I have it in my bedroom and forget it's on. Clean the pump and change filters every 2-3 weeks, and it lasts up to 2 years. Comes apart in seconds, no special tools. Smooth plastic, no hidden corners. Weekly rinse, deep clean every 2 weeks. Replacement filters are cheap. My cat went from drinking once a day to 4 or 5 times. Shinier coat, more energy, better hydration. No fighting between my 2 cats and dog. My vet even noticed improved kidney values. Picky drinkers? Yes. Work long hours? Yes. Multiple pets? Absolutely. Tired of refilling bowls? Get this. Compact size, fits anywhere. Only 2 pounds. 5 stars. Award-winning design. Dual modes. 5-stage filtration. Silent operation. This solved a real problem, and my pets love it. Best investment for their health. The link to the Veken pet fountain is in the description below. Check it out if you want to keep your pets hydrated and healthy. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss my honest pet product reviews. Drop a comment below and tell me, does your pet drink enough water? Have you tried a pet fountain? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching. Give your furry friends some extra love from me, and I'll see you in the next video.